Greetings guys, La Architects here again. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you some top 3 websites where you can get the best and the highest of Revit family qualities for your projects. Without further ado, let's get to it. So number 1 is Archiproducts. I recently came across this website when doing a recent project. I can tell you that when I mean the best, these people have like the best of highest qualities, and it's all free. If you want to download any of their families, just click on it and scroll down. There should be a Revit version for you to download. If there isn't a Revit version, you can actually request it from the manufacturers free of any cost. Just enter your details and they'll send it to you. And then number 2 is Revit City, which we all know. I think this is a great website. However, I don't think that their families always come as advertised. I think it's just average. If I had to scale it on a scale from 1 to 10, I would say it's a 6, but it's a great website though. Number 3 is BIMobject. Well, this website also has a great amount of varieties when it comes to Revit families, beds, lamps, chandeliers, and everything. And I think it's one of the best. And then we go to number 3, Arcat. Arcat is where I usually download stuff when I'm getting technical and stuff. And I think it's a great website too. You can, for example, let's click on cabinets, and it's a lot of varieties as you can see. And you can download them for your projects free of any cost. Again, coming back to Archiproducts, and I think they have some of the best when it comes to Revit families and beds and stuff like that, and I think you should really check it out. And I'm gonna leave the rest of the links in the description. That's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.